Hello, I'm just showing you stuff like Lego stuff that I've been making, and I just wanna show you this. So, yeah, I just made this engine. Yeah, cool. But this is what I'm not finished yet. But yeah, it's like an armored truck in my army base, and then at the back here, this is like Lego gun. This is the gun. In there, got nothing. There's a load of different stuff, and so yeah. So like it's got vents here and here. Oh, really delicate. And then it's got a gun at the back of it. So it's alright. And yeah, I started it by putting these things at the side here, and yeah, by putting these at the side here, and then I just built on from that. It was gonna be like a normal ship, but I'm gonna make it so that all of this is like possible. So thank you. Yeah,